started here in Somerset County, Pike Winery 25 years ago. We started out in a barn with a bunch of partners as home winemakers, and over the years we ran out of room at the barn, so we had to build a new facility. So my wife and I bought out all the partners, and we built this facility in '02. We make all the wine here. We have a good time. We try to have, you know, events, a lot of wedding receptions, a lot of music, and we got involved 3 or 4 years ago with Harvest Host, and we've had practically every single one. It's been a great experience meeting the people, and we're happy to be one of the sites that people stop in for.
One thing I do want to mention is, because we do get a lot of phone calls from members of Harvest Host regarding the COVID-19 situation. We are currently taking Harvest Host customers. We take 2 at a time, so that allows us to give enough space in between both members so they feel comfortable on their own. But I will say, within the last probably 2 years, we have seen a large increase with the Harvest Host customers, and like Steve said, they're all super nice.
Excellent.